creativity should be given a scope. And somebody, if he is very creative, people look at like, what is this person? Is that the way? Hey, what type of thinking he has? Let me give a small example of Harry Potter, the writer of Harry Potter.
Exactly.
She was
Yeah, man.
rejected 1,000 times, but
Exactly. Yeah.
she was having lots of confidence. Again, she tried and went to new publisher, and he liked the way she had wrote, her own imaginary way. And today, she is a multi-billionaire.
Exactly. Lesson is about mental health. I have done whatever I have done on my YouTube channel, so many interview there. I almostly ask this question to each and everyone. About
Okay.
mental health. Country like in India, especially in small cities, if you go and tell them, hey, mom and dad, I have some depression, I have some problem in my mind, I'm not feeling well, I have some tension. So, especially small cities, people are like, really? You have tension, depression? What is this? They're not ready to believe there is things like depression. Like
Yeah.
even now, I was 1 year ago, 1 or 2 years ago, I was feeling like, okay, focusing on studies, everything, just be alone, don't make so many friends and something like, so if you will be alone there every time having a book and like this, so you will consider as a good boy, an intelligent student. And last year, once, I think 1.5 years ago, I went one Nainital. Might be
Many.
about Nainital hill station of my
Yeah.
classmates. So we enjoyed a lot. We were there for 2 days. We enjoyed a lot. And first time I realized that, oh my God, it's amazing, amazing. I was so happy. I was feeling like in just 1 days, 2 days, whatever I have gained from here, I didn't have in my kind of, last 6, 7 years. And it was mesmerizing, amazing. So, ma'am, I had learned from there what I had learned from there. We must go for outing. We must make some friends, good friends. So, ma'am, is question about mental health and introvert. So, like, just say something about your view about mental health. Like when we have some depression, what should we do there to handle our mental health? Like somebody is doing a bachelor. He has invested 5 lakh, 10 lakh in universities for doing BTech, maybe a MBBS, and he's very worried about. Might be when I'll complete my degree, my MBBS, might be I will have good career or not. So there are so many tension, depression, and many guys they might be you have heard some kind of news. They commit suicide, and something like that. So what's your take about mental health and how to handle these kind of things? Like if somebody has mental health, going through tension, going through depression, going through so much anxiety. Oh, I don't know what my career is going to be there.
Nowadays, actually, students are really having this mental health problems. And not only students, had seen even teachers, professors, because lots of stress is there. Previously, people used to go to, they were farmer and like no more worries about studies or getting marks, just going to their workplace, taking their children along with them, and then they are working, coming home, sitting together, enjoying the food. No such stress as completing some assignments, projects. So students are under stress. They don't know how to handle that. A training should be there on how life should be, like we should live life. We are
Exactly.
so behind education. It is not training us how to live, how to succeed in life. The job is not the only option. They can start their own entrepreneurship and become like their own, they can become entrepreneur and give jobs to others, creating a job for others. But that is not trained in college, in that four walls.
Yeah.
Such things should be included. For this thing, I always include one moral value in my PPT nowadays. And even in college, I have that habit. Last 5 minutes, I keep them on updating certain things which will help them to improve on their character, their value. Value added education should be attached with normal education. Something goes
Exactly.
wrong, few marks, few percentage. I remember a girl from ninth standard in Vasai itself
Yeah.
committed a suicide only for few percentage that she
Oh
was
my
not
God.
topper of the school. Instead of bringing 95, she got 92. 92. Many
Oh,
students are like it is their dream to reach there, and she was at 92, but still she committed suicide because she felt that she is not coming to the level of what their parents required, teachers required. So lots of stress is there. So first of all, students should be made comfortable that degrees does not matter. Does it? See, Einstein, there are different examples in front of us. Abraham
exactly.
Lincoln. Yeah, the school dropouts. They created, they went for inventions, discoveries. They had set an example before us. I don't mean that don't take any formal education. What I mean, just make them learn that if this is not their forte, every five fingers are not same. So people have different qualities, different skills. What are their
Exactly.
talents? That should be found out because education is all round development. So there should be some change that should be brought. Nowadays, we are focusing on all round development in sports, cultural activities like singing, dancing, and lots of intercollegiate, state level, national level activities are there. So people should be encouraged for that. A student should be encouraged for being active in all the other fields also. So that
Yeah.
if one option or one door is closed, the other option, other door or window is open.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that should be, I think so, little more changes are needed in today's education system. Like here, PhDs. People are doing PhD, but is it worth certain universities a copy from here and there, and then they brought out plagiarism? But
Yeah.
really worth certain
Exactly.
topics,
Yeah.
simple topic like students are doing projects on such topics, PhD people are completing within 4 years, 5 years. Is that worth? That should be checked upon.
Exactly.
And good
Yeah.
quality education, good level should be brought. People, the students should be encouraged to research on a matter and bring out new theories. There, they should be given freedom because what is PhD? It is a research. Research means again and again search into knowledge, and it can be their way. Like somebody said, Eureka, Eureka. The apple fall
Yeah.
down
Yeah.
and said,
Yeah. Yeah.
new loaf. Yeah,
Exactly.
so it was there, but their creativity should be given a scope. And somebody, if he is very creative, people look at like, what is this person? Is that the way? Hey, what type of thinking he has? Let me give a small example of Harry Potter, the writer of Harry Potter.
Exactly.
She was
Yeah, man.
rejected 1,000 times, but
Exactly. Yeah.
she was having lots of confidence. Again, she tried and went to new publisher, and he liked the way she had wrote, her own imaginary way. And today, she is a multi-billionaire.
Exactly. Yeah.
People should be given a scope to think creatively. That's why nowadays in Mumbai University and even other, like our government is also promoting entrepreneurship, new startups. That whether students are having any idea, and if that works, it will be the patent will be there with their name. So nowadays we are knowing what is the importance of copyright patent. Even though people are doing great things in India, somebody else at outside
Exactly.
country
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
take the
Yeah.
patent. So
Yeah.
this thing should be taught at college. But certain subjects are divided. Every teacher go and within that limited time They have to complete their portion. So they are rushing behind that. One special hour should be dedicated for this particular purpose. That students should know the purpose of their life, where they want to go, what are their dreams. So this should be taken care of nowadays. And then the India will be like a dream country. Today there is
Exactly. Yeah.
also, we can also come towards a brain drain, you know. People
Yeah.
are not highly paid, and our brain who are getting better education in India, they are going to America. What they are paying? 1 lakh, 2 lakh, maybe 1 crore package, and they are earning 10 crores on that.
Exactly.
What
Yeah.
whoever may be on the leading position, whoever may be the government, but this thing should be taken care of, and this brain drain should be stopped. Our students are so talented. They are future of India. They should be highly paid and kept in India itself, and
Exactly.
they will make India great. You know, various people like Japanese are advanced. Singapore, it has been advanced. Switzerland, but major people working there is are Indians. They are giving the ideas. Why we can't, being an Indian, keep them in India, highly pay them? Why government can do that? It can do. It has to think on that area and work on that, because our students are our future. Beautiful India can be created by channelizing these youths. That's what I feel.
Wow. Great, ma'am. Great. Okay, ma'am. Moving on. Another my favorite question about meditation and spirituality. Okay, forget about spirituality. I just want to stick about health. I want to talk about. So, what do you do for maintain health, having good health? What do you do? Do you do meditation or kind of certain exercise? What exactly you do?
You know, certain brain games are there, brain games,
Brain games.
as well
Okay,
as meditation,
meditation.
mindfulness. Nowadays, there are different types of meditation. You know, meditation is not only listening to music and just closing your eyes, but there are guided meditations. It
Yeah,
will just take you away from this world to some other level.
yeah.
Like they are saying, okay, now we are sitting in an aeroplane, and that aeroplane is flying. Even though I'd never went through in aeroplane anywhere, but still, when such type of things are coming and you are concentrating, you just feel happy. Yes, I am in the aeroplane. What can I see? Down daffodils, different beautiful flowers. What are the colors? So they take in different journey.
Yeah,
We are in the ocean or at the beach, and what is happening there on the beach? The waves are coming. We are enjoying that. We are
exactly.
walking on the seashore. So they are taking us to different world. That is the way of relaxing. So various techniques are available, and
Yeah,
such guided meditations should also be there in college. Nowadays there are counselors, but one session at least in a week we can keep for meditation. It
yeah,
gives you immense power. Why people are leaving their houses, their lavish living, entire house, their car, and everything, every property, as well as career, and they are going to become sannyasi.
exactly. Yeah,
So that a monk who sold his
sold his
Ferrari.
Ferrari.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So what is happening over there? People come to know that self-realization should be there. These are worldly things. What we say that moha maya.
Mohammed. Yeah,
But in college level, everyone cannot become sannyasi. There should
exactly.
be
Yeah,
some engineer, some doctor. But this way of sannyasi can be learned for mental benefit. That is
yeah,
meditating, listening to music, or doing that things. Meditation does not mean only this thing. When you want to relax, regenerate, you need to listen to some good music that you love. Just relax, close your eyes, and listen to the music. That can be one type of meditation. Concentrate on your breathing.
Breathing
That is
control.
even
Yeah,
people while walking, they meditate. Concentrate.
exactly.
Make it little bit slow. Slowly take the air in, breathe, and breathe out. So breathe in, breathe out slowly at your own pace. Concentrate. Give some time for yourself. People are so busy, morning here, evening there, classes, lots of jobs, house activity. Take some time, relax, chill. Chill I does not mean that take some cold drink and drink. The
Yeah,
event that you want that will relax you, that will give you mental satisfaction. Take some time for your family. I remember whenever I was there in my college, my daddy
yeah,
uh, kept me this habit that watch TV, do your education, but when you want to have your lunch or a dinner, you be on the dining table and the entire family will sit together. Whereas
yeah,
that students are studying and eating food there itself, they are watching TV and having their food there itself, and the Tarzan is fighting, and the person is having this. What should I do? Shall I take this bite or no? This will happen. So you are not concentrating on this food, and what goes in comes out. You are not
exactly.
feeding
Yeah,
yourself. Even brain is not properly fed. Many things are available on internet, but are the students guided by the gurus? What is the
yeah,
need of guru to guide them? To
exactly,
guide them at that time, the parent should become a guru when he is at home, and they should guide them. Give them time to be online, but just check that what exactly they are doing, whether they are watching some porn movies or they are educating themselves. Give them good
exactly,
to read, because the way you feed, whatever you are sowing, you will reap the same. You
exactly.
will reap
Yeah,
the
man.
benefits in coming future. So let them read motivational, inspiring things. Even if they go for imaginational things like Harry Potter movies, it's okay. Certain people,
Exactly.
here one small child who is studying in a school, ninth standard, he was fond of reading. He used to read Harry Potter series, but the speed in which he was reading was drastic. And then he got fond of all the ghost stories. And nowadays, he at the like in the midnight, he keeps shouting that there are somebody who is going to kidnap him, and they are going
Yeah,
into the wall.
yeah,
This is affecting our brain. Anything in excess is not at all good. Give them
exactly,
proper time to read, to listen to some motivational speaker, to do school studies. A proper balance should be maintained, as well as they need to share some time with the family. At least
exactly,
two time in a day, that is there, two times, that is lunch and dinner. Even though breakfast they do on their way or tiffin in the college, but still two time, that is lunch, if they are at home, they should be along with the family, and mobile should not be there in their hand,
exactly.
because
Yeah,
they eat like this. Okay, what is happening? So just looking at the mobile, how can they concentrate on what mother and father is doing, the grandfathers, what they are doing? They give sanskars. So today's mother is also like this. Yes, my friend is, don't allow mobile, television when we are eating food, when we have family time. How we are going to connect? The students are not respecting their parents, not because they didn't want to, because parents have not trained. Lots of excess freedom, I would say, is not good, as well as excess, um like, you are asking them to do what you want to do, that is also not good. Don't give them excess stress, but don't leave them totally free. They should know how to make use of that freedom. Total freedom at that age is not necessary.
exactly. I do agree. Yeah,
They don't. what is right and wrong.
Yeah.
You need to have a check. Yes, over to you.
Okay, yeah, ma'am. So if I sum up, you mean we must be very careful about like don't use mobile phone. Another thing is keep touch with your family. Yeah. Another thing is do feel free to do or like whatever you like. Like if you feel like walking, go for walk. Keep things in balance. Yeah, go
Yes,
for outing, watch movie, have some entertainment. Do everything, but be in balance.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Thanks, ma'am.
Everything.
Yeah.
Even good things in excess is not good. So you are asking about mental health. So parents must inculcate first, and even teachers. And I would say there should be a session for this also in college or school.
Exactly.
That should
Yeah.
be
Yeah.
added. People get habited after 21 days. At least 1 month meditation in a year's time together.
Yeah.
There are like certain free days are there, like Diwali vacation,
Yeah.
Christmas vacation, that can be utilized.
Yeah. You know,
Whatever
my
students may join, but it should be taken. And family can definitely inculcate. If mother or father they are doing that, it will definitely help their uh, children to do all those
exactly.
things.
Yeah.
Yes,
I know, man. There is a Vipassana. Even I was there in 2020 when I was in second year. So I
yeah,
went one of Vipassana center and I was there for 10 days. And you know, ma'am, it was I can't explain those feeling. I had done 10 days meditation there, and it was oh my god, amazing feeling. When I came out after 11th day, it was like uh, you know, I was like feeling like if somebody asks right now, here's even give me these feelings, this happiness, whatever you have right now, and I'll give you a millions of rupees. So I was like, get lost from here. I'm not gonna give you this feeling. So it was amazing. It's a real feel if you know how to handle with your mind, mentally and physically, how to be in balance. So you can take care of each and everything. Just learn some basic things, how to connect with your family, how to have basic things in your life. Go for just looking at your sunrise. Just wake up in morning time and just look sunrise. It's a very great habit. Yeah, okay. Thanks, ma'am. And the question is, might be the last question from my side. I'm really enjoying this conversation. I don't want to even stop this conversation, but we have time limit. It's already been one
yes,
hour. So, one question and the last question, ma'am, from my side is, uh, how would you like to be remembered?
yeah,
How would you like to be remembered? Like, it's a kind of very awkward question. Like, everybody has
yeah.
some
Okay.
kind of
How I
question.
like
Like
to
when
say,
when
yeah,
I'll die, so I want to be like
yes,
people consider as a very humble guy. Oh, that guy, had done so many things for society. Like Mahatma Gandhi. Look at Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Abraham Lincoln. Why? They have some certain qualities. Like they're known for those qualities. Everybody is worshiping them. You know, in wide range of areas. So, what the things you wanna do for society, and how you would like to be remembered?
yeah. Life is all about memories. People pass away, and then what is remaining is the memory. So I want to have that good memory in people's life when
Yeah,
I sign off from this life, and when I'm going to my original peace. I will say that this is just a journey. We
exactly,
are here to perform. So I would like to be very kind and humble. I would
wow,
like to be a person of like who will show kindness.
exactly,
I would like to be a person who had created a character, and I'm striving hard. Even if in one person's life I could make a difference, that is great
exactly.
for me. So I'm
Wow,
on my that journey. Wherever we can help. See, help is not only in terms of money. Help is like somebody is asking you, you know that answer, still you are not helping that person. I came into this profession after lots of hurdles. But there is somebody who is asking a help, what education you have done, who is asking for a guidance. People are saying, I don't have a time. Are you a prime minister? Are you a
Yeah,
president? We don't have time. It's not having time. It's you're prioritizing. If you're not
exactly.
prioritizing that person, you're not loving that person, you're not caring, you will never give them a time. You have to be such a person who will remove the time from their precious or busy schedule. You have to. If you really respect the person, then what you can give to the other person but your time. And I want to be a person who is reliable. People can rely on you. A person should be trustworthy. So that's what I want to be in other person's life
Wow.
because I believe a respect. When you give respect, you need not demand, it will come back to you. Because whatever goes around comes around. That's what I believe.
Okay. Ma'am, one question. I just remember this question might be I about to forget, but the question is, what your message for those guys who are feeling very depressed? They are feeling like, oh, I can't do this anything. I'm so much. They're like they are like feeling like I'm not that much intelligent. Other guy are speaking English. Other guy doing great in their career, but I'm like a nobody. I can't do anything in my life. They are so depressed, so alone. They are not connecting people. They are so kind of alone there. So, what your message for those guys?
My message is stay cool, stay focused, have your ambition and stay focused. See, if something goes wrong, what can you do? Either find a solution. If you can find a solution, find out, come out of that situation. And if you can't find the solution, then why you are taking stress? Why you are depressed? By taking that stress, is that problem going to be solved? Wait. After every night, there is a day. So wait for that. Have patience. When the right time will come, this situation will also go away. Time never stays there itself, and the situation also keeps on changing. Life is like that. And that's why don't worry. Even if the trees shed their leaves and nothing is there left on the tree, still patiently it waits for what? For the good season to come. And then the flowers and the leaves will bloom again.
Exactly.
So in
Wow.
life also, such type of situations will come. You need to wait. Let the right time come. Because whenever you are in bad situations, remember, good situations will never give you better experience and never lead you to success. But the bad situations will train you, will give you lots of experience. Learn from that and never repeat same mistake again and proceed in life. And in all the situations, this is God is testing you. He's testing you. See, in good situations, anyone can be good. But being patient, calm in negative situations is what will mold your life.
Yeah.
Unless until you get the hammer, you are not going to form into a beautiful structure that God wants you to be. So that's my message that be calm and be focused
Wow.
and never
Great, ma'am.
get depressed. Be positive
Okay.
in life. Every day morning, stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself. Yes, I'm beautiful. I'm handsome. I'm worthy. I'm making a difference in other person's life. Always stay positive and focused,
Exactly.
motivated, inspire, and inspire others. We are here to get inspired and make others inspired.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
Don't
So,
forget
ma'am,
that. Yes.
exactly. So, ma'am, anything else you want to add? Anything else? Like, you feel like
Yes.
you,
I want
yeah.
to add about like why we are here. Add about a purpose. I told you about purpose. Sometimes people say my purpose is to earn money. But why money? to get all the facilities. Why facilities? Happiness. I want to get married. I want to impress girls. I want money to impress girls. They will come into my life. Then what will they give you? Pleasure, happiness. But happiness is not the just a destination. It's a journey. See, you don't know till what time you are alive that this will be my birthday and this will be the end of my journey. You don't know anything. Anytime, even now, within a second, a person may leave this world. So, why to wait for destination? Enjoy the journey with
Exactly.
whoever you are, with the teachers, with your parents, with your grandparents, your friends. And today, the globe is connected through Telegram, through internet, through WhatsApp, Facebook. Enjoy your journey. So,
Wow.
happiness is not a destination, but a journey. Enjoy
Yeah.
even the small, small waves in your life. That will make a difference. If you are waiting for the big wave to come, big dreams to get fulfilled, then you will never be happy. Even with sometimes as a female, as a housewife, if a particular female, she is having some free time, having a sip of tea and looking at her garden, greenery, the flowers, that gives her pleasure. So
Yeah.
everywhere, if you are in train, enjoy whatever outer situations are there, the nature, the people around, what they are talking. Enjoy the beauty of nature. India, people are going abroad. Why? To enjoy their vacation. But what about India? Do you know how rich
Mm.
India is? How beautiful
Exactly.
you can visit? I'm in Vasai. Many people didn't even know what is the beauty of Vasai. What type of places are there to visit? What type of cuisine is there which we can eat? Some are fond of food, they know that. But what about places, people, the language they speak?
Exactly. Yeah.
Find that beauty. It is not going outside. Oh my God, I have visited 10 different countries. Oh, that does not matter.
Yeah.
What you know about your place. You're talking lots of things about others. What you know about yourself, your India, your place, that's what matters. Create a value. This is a
Exactly.
picture for you. Create a value for yourself, and everything will come towards you on a right time. Wait for that right time. Work for it. And there are no shortcuts to success. Even though
Wow.
you do the work smartly, it's okay. Smartness
Yeah.
should be shown, but no shortcuts to success. You have to work hard. That's it.
Exactly, ma'am. Thanks very much, ma'am. Still I'm feeling like I can have this conversation for 1 and 2 hours more, but we have to
Yeah,
finish
there is a
here,
time limit.
and I'm very sure we'll have another session in future. Thanks very much, ma'am. Thanks very much. I really,
Thank
even
you.
even in one moment, I didn't feel like I was feeling bored and some. Oh my God, it was kind of amazing, ma'am, and each and every conversation and each and every kind of question and you're answering the way you are answering. I loved it. I loved it. Thanks
Thank
very
you.
much, ma'am. Thanks very much to ma'am to come here and answering my question. I know that this question and this interview, this videos and this podcast, many guys they're gonna enjoy this. So again, ma'am, thanks very much to come here.
Yeah, I am also enjoying this session very much and would have lots of talks with you in future also. I'd love to be on your platform. I enjoyed this time being with you because it also helped me to bring out my ideas, generate my ideas. This
Exactly.
time is not a time that is wasted, but it is invested in good
Exactly.
activity, giving good message to our younger generation. So I enjoyed it a lot. I enjoyed it a lot, and thanks from the bottom of my heart
So this is
for giving
so
me this
you know, ma'am,
opportunity.
Many
Yeah.
many guys from I have some we have some subscriber from Peru and some America, some Brazil, Germany.
Okay.
So they are going to watch this video. So guys, this means it's a kind of greeting in India. It's a namaste. Might be guys. So ma'am is using this gesture. She's using these greetings. It's kind of bye and hello. So ma'am, thanks very much again. So guys, take care, stay safe, and we'll come with again
And have a
with
great
the
time and great life. And be
exactly.
an inspirer. Be an inspirer. If you cannot inspire others, at least don't like make others down.
Exactly. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah.
I do believe that.
So
Yeah.
always motivate others and stay motivated yourself.
Okay, guys. So we are
Thanks
signing
for
off. Take
India.
care, guys. Stay safe and big your thumbs up. Do subscribe, do like, and don't forget to share because YouTube has one algorithm. Until or unless you are not going to share this, YouTube is not going to recommend other people. So please do share,
Yes,
do
after
subscribe, and
watching,
do like.
that is
Exactly.
like a gratitude. Please
Yeah,
don't
it's a
forget to
gratitude.
give your gratitude in the form of likes and subscribe.
Exactly. Exactly.